Hi guys, it's Zeffi, and welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is fine. In today's video I will create a best Neumorphism home screen setup for you. Hope you all love it. You have to download all the required apps which are mentioned in description. Let's begin the tutorial. First open any browser and go to my website www.zeffisetups.com and download all the required stuff including backup and wallpaper. I already have, so I'm not downloading it again. Now go to Nova Settings and restore the backup file. After that go to KLWP, tap on Import and select the AI Neumorphism KLWP. Then set the KLWP as wallpaper. Now tap on First Page widget, select CL08 from Cloudy KWGT. First set its layer to 100. Then customize the widget as mentioned in tutorial. Now go to second page, tap on top widget, select CL64 from Cloudy KWGT. First set its layer to 100. Then customize the widget as mentioned in tutorial. After customizing the second page top widget, tap on bottom widget and select CL56 from Cloudy KWGT. First set its layer to 100. Then customize the widget as mentioned in tutorial. Your setup is complete, let's have a look on it. Hope you also enjoy the tutorial. I will try to post video on every weekend. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Also share this video to your friends, who are customization lovers. I will see you in next video. Take care, bye.